Hi, I'm Melanie with Snow Holistic Health. We're here today with our Facebook Live series, Eating Keto in the Lake Area. We're at Toga Grill. So Mr. Phillip is going to give away the gift card to Luna from last week to our lucky winner.
All right, and today's winner is Christian Robertson. Make sure to come by the office to come pick up your $20 gift card to Luna's.
Awesome.
Now, moving forward, we're going to be talking about keto a little bit. Just for those of you that don't know, keto is primarily a high fat, moderate protein, and low carb diet. And here's Adriana who's going to fill in the rest.
Yes, so I'm going to tell you guys about our Ketabolic Reset program. So our program isn't only designed for weight loss. Dr. Eric Snow and Dr. Katie Snow really teach you how to fuel your body with the right foods. And it comes with a downloadable program guide and a full cookbook. Dr. Snow also paired some really great supplements with the program. We also have keto coaching options available for those of you who feel like you would need more guidance and accountability. Dr. Snow, can you share with us a little bit about the keto diet and Mediterranean food?
Yeah, so the keto diet and the Mediterranean diet have a lot of similarities. The big similarity is actually the fats that they share, because the Mediterranean diet has real healthy fatty meats. It's notorious for the olive oil and the olives that are part of the diet. It's a lot of oils that they cook with. And back when it first got popular, it was really just exactly opposite of what was being taught in America as far as high carbohydrate, low fat diet. So it was a bit controversial, but we're starting to see through the research and then all the new research with the ketogenic diet that it's a very healthy diet, but it can have more carbohydrates than if you're trying to get into nutritional ketosis. So that's the main thing, is the healthy fats in the meats, and it is a whole food diet. So the Mediterranean diet is a very, very good diet to do. Two things we want to share, though, is I want to share two very powerful weight loss secrets. First, if you eat too late, it's going to be very hard to lose fat, because what happens when you eat past 6 o'clock, so that's 6:30, 7, 8 o'clock, 8:30, even 9 for some patients, your blood has to go into the digestive system to metabolize and digest the food, and this takes away from powerful detoxification things that happen, healing and repair. So if you can start to move your dinner time up to 6 o'clock or even 5:30 and do no snacking after that until you eat breakfast the next day, a lot of people in about a week's time will actually lose about 5 pounds. And then the other secret is make sure that you have healthy fats in your diet. One reason people get so hungry on many different low-calorie diets and different even high-protein diets, they don't get enough healthy fats. And that's why the ketogenic program has been known as the diet that you do not get hungry on. And it's because you're regulating insulin again, and these healthy fats actually make you feel satiated.
Awesome.
All right, Dr. Snow, can you share with us what you're having today?
Yeah, this is my favorite salad here at Toga Grill. It's a bit of a paradox. It's the feta salad, but I ask it to be made without feta because I don't like to get dairy all the time. I do get some feta here and there, but just not all the time. And so I take the feta out, but I like the vegetable mix and the cabbage, and then I add avocado to get some more fats, but you're getting good healthy fats from the kalamata, and then you're getting the gyro meat as well. It's a very tasty salad. I enjoy it a lot.
All right, and then I have Miss Katie's dish here. She ordered the ilham salad, and it comes with gyro meat. It has the cabbage salad, the feta salad mix. She got it without feta as well. It has some eggplant there, avocado, and then I have just a regular salad with the gyro meat. I asked for avocado and olives to be added on there because I love those two things. Philip, what are you having?
These are the Lebanese nachos, but instead of having the pita chips, we just put a salad with that instead, and it's really good.
Awesome. And I had the chicken shawarma on a spring mix, so it looks really yummy. I can't wait to dive in. Thank you guys for joining us again today. It's been fun, and we are going to be giving away a gift card to Toga next week. So if you like, comment, and share this video, we'll draw a name next week for a chance to win that. And then don't forget to check out eHolistic Health to check out the Keto Reset program as well as the keto coaching that we have available. And if you have a restaurant that you'd like us to visit, or you own a restaurant and like us to come join you for lunch one day, either post a comment below or give us a call at 478-1313, and we'd love to see what we can do for you, and we will see you next week.
And I just wanted to thank the Clune family for inviting us here and opening the restaurant to us. We have such good food, and just wanted to give you a shout out. Thank you very much.